Alright, so Samsung Galaxy M40 is coming in the latest Snapdragon 675. That impressive. Well, we already know the Galaxy M40, they already have been through the Wi-Fi certification, the Bluetooth certification. So it's coming really soon, and yeah, the fact that Samsung is using 675 in Galaxy M series, which is meant to be priced under 20,000 Indian rupees. That's $300 US. I mean, the smartphone really sure destroy the market. Samsung new series smartphone, Galaxy A series and Galaxy M series smartphone, they are similar to each other. Like Galaxy A10 are similar to Galaxy M10 and Galaxy M30 are similar to Galaxy A40. And here the Galaxy M40 will be similar to Galaxy A70. So yeah, Samsung bring the 675. They should give competition to Xiaomi and Redmi smartphone. But there is a huge difference between Xiaomi and Samsung smartphone and their operating system. Samsung new UI, One UI, and the service, then the software they provide, the quality of this smartphone, the SR value. So the Galaxy M40 is still worth debating for. And these specifications are just mind blowing. You are getting Snapdragon 675, 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging. And yeah, with One UI, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. Just look at that Geekbench listing. They do have these cores, single core score 2361, well their multi-score of 6438. So I think these specifications look really impressive for smartphone under 20,000 Indian rupees. That $300 US. And there is no information in terms of design, and there is no information about whether Samsung is picking up the Infinity O display or with LCD panel, or they choosing Infinity U display with Super AMOLED panel. I think both these designs are impressive and I would like to see Infinity O display. So now let's talk about the price. I think it's gonna be around 17,000 to 19,000 Indian rupees, because the Galaxy M10, which is around 8,000 Indian rupees, and Galaxy M20, which is around 11,000 Indian rupees, and Galaxy M30, which is around 15,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, the Galaxy M40 will be around 17 to 19,000 Indian rupees. So the gap between these smartphones are 3,000 to 4,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, Snapdragon 675, 128GB internal storage, 6GB RAM, Android 9.0 with Samsung latest One UI. So yeah, these are complete package for Galaxy M40. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.